Sing praise, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Your grace has caused my heart swallow fear, and grace my fears relief. How precious is that grace appear the hour I first believed. Through many dangerous storms and strife, I have already come. His grace that brought me safe through storm, and grace will lead me home. 送给我们大家好朋友吕点子。Being here 1,000 years, bright shining as the sun, with no less day to sing God's praise than when we first begun. And when we first begun. 以这首歌献给我们在天上的好朋友吕点子。Amazing Grace， 奇异恩典。